From the dark silence, a faint sound of a crow cawing in the distance is heard. A low rumble follows, growing in intensity, before abruptly stopping. The silence returns, heavier now, full of anticipation. The screen remains black, inviting the viewer to lean in, to listen, to wait. The crow caws again, louder this time, as if signaling an impending event. Another rumble, closer now, more immediate. The tension is palpable. The mystery deepens. And then, as suddenly as it began, the silence takes over once more. A dramatic pause before we embark on our exploration of the intriguing world of crows and earthquakes. The screen fades into the title card. The intriguing world of crows and earthquakes. Are you aware that crows might possess the ability to foresee earthquakes? A riveting mystery that delicately straddles the realms of reality and enigma. This uncanny hypothesis has not only sparked scientific pursuit but has also drawn parallels with Japan's folklore, where crows are considered to be messengers of the gods. The fascination of this intriguing relationship has piqued the interest of researchers around the world. Today, we delve into the shadowy labyrinth of the perplexing bond between crows and earthquakes, a conundrum that continues to puzzle and enchant the scientific community. Our journey begins in the realm of ornithology, focusing mainly on the land of the rising sun. Japan, renowned for its high frequency of earthquakes and home to a large population of crows. For centuries, scientists have deeply engrossed themselves in bird behavior studies. The crow, celebrated for its intelligence, has been the subject of many such studies. Researchers have noted that these clever birds, like many of their feathered kind, exhibit peculiar behavior just before an earthquake strikes. They become unsettled, their calls grow louder, and they often take flight to higher ground. These phenomena are believed to be triggered by the crow's sensitivity to disruptions in the Earth's magnetic field, which typically occur before an earthquake. Now, let's shift our focus to seismology, the study of earthquakes, with a special emphasis on Japan's pioneering research in this field. Seismologists, particularly those from Japan, have long been intrigued by the potential of animals, like crows, to predict earthquakes. While the evidence is primarily anecdotal, many accounts from earthquake-prone regions, including Japan, suggest that crows and other birds often exhibit unusual behavior up to several days before an earthquake occurs. This has led some scientists, notably Japanese researchers, to propose that crows may possess the ability to detect changes in the Earth's magnetic field or seismic waves that humans cannot perceive. Transitioning into the fascinating world of neuroscience, we journey all the way to Japan, a nation that has been conducting groundbreaking studies on the complex framework of the crow's brain. Here, dedicated researchers have delved into the intricate structure of the crow's brain. Through their intensive studies, they've unearthed that crows possess an extraordinarily developed hippocampus, the brain segment accountable for memory and spatial orientation. The Japanese scientists also believe that this specific advancement clarified their unique ability to perceive shifts in the Earth's magnetic field and respond to an incoming earthquake. It's a captivating realm of research, blending nature and cutting-edge neuroscience, right here in the heart of Japan. Finally, we delve into the realm of ethology, a branch that studies animal behavior, with a special focus on Japan. Japanese ethologists have specifically noted that crows, post an earthquake, display a phenomenon known as displacement behavior. This involves behavior such as undue preening and erratic flying, actions believed to be a coping mechanism for these birds to deal with the stress of the catastrophic event. In conclusion, crows' ability to foresee earthquakes might not have been scientifically validated yet, but the evidence strongly indicates their sensitivity to shifts in the Earth's magnetic field, potential precursors to such events. Their peculiar actions before an earthquake and their survival strategies afterward have become fascinating of investigation for researchers globally. It's important to note that Japan, a country familiar with earthquakes, plays a pivotal role in these studies. Japanese scientists are at the forefront of exploring this intriguing relationship between crows and seismic activities. So the next time you observe a crow behaving in an unusual way, it's not merely our feathered friend carrying on with its routine. It could be a small black messenger predicting that the earth beneath us is about to tremble. In Japan, these crows could potentially be seen as harbingers, alerting us about impending earthquakes.